says, I wanted to ask if it is permissible to purchase frozen mice for my pet cat to eat. To buy frozen mice for your cat is something that is not permissible. Why? I have to buy food, cat food. Yeah, okay, let's analyze. What's the ruling on keeping mice? Haram. What's the ruling on killing mice? Mandatory. What's the ruling on selling and buying mice? Prohibited, because this is a haram animal when we're ordered to kill it. So when you buy such haram product and you pay money for it, this transaction is haram. If you want to feed your cat, there are a lot of other halal alternatives. So if the cat food ingredients include pork, it is not permissible for you to buy, because pork is prohibited to sell and buy. So Sheikh, we look into the supermarkets whenever we want to buy food for ourselves and read the ingredients and have these magnifying glasses. Now you want us to read the same for our cats? This is too much, akhi. It is not an issue of too much or too little. It's an issue of, am I allowed to buy such haram ingredients or not? If someone gives it to you as a gift, it's okay for you to take. Not only that, it's okay for your cat to eat. How are you going to cook the frozen mice? Are you going to marinate it in balsamic vinegar or put some additives to it? This is your problem. But to buy with your halal money mice that is najis, that is haram to own, that is haram to breed, let alone to buy it, this is not permissible. That his cat is a posh cat, doesn't eat normal food. So is it permissible for him to give her non-halal food? No, the answer is not. It's not permissible for you to buy canned food for your cat, which includes pork and dead meat. Paying for that is haram. You should not. Yes, if somebody gives you a carton of non-halal food like that for free, you can feed it to the cat. There's no problem. But buying it is totally out of the question. Ayub, from what to do then with the cat? Well, send her out. Let her learn the hard way how to catch roaches and lizards and insects and feed on them and maybe do whatever it wants to do. But definitely you must not buy haram food. Salim from India.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
Sheikh, my question is, I hear there is neither the strength to avoid sins nor the power to do good except with the help of Allah. What does this mean?
This means that everything in this universe is dependent on Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And it is Allah who creates everything we see. And it is Allah who has given us the power to select good or bad. And if we select the good, Allah will help us. And if we select the bad, Allah will help us. Because we cannot do anything without Allah's help. But it is Allah who has given us a choice, who Allah Azza wa Jal, who will guide us. And if Allah wills, we will do the good things. So whatever good we do, it is a gift from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and by His will. And whatever bad we do, it is our own faults and shortcomings. And Allah the Almighty would help us do and achieve these bad things because it is our choice in the beginning and it is His will that overwhelms and controls everything.